What's up, y'all? Today we're going to be working on a 2003 Nissan Altima. The project's going to be how to remove the front headlight. As you can see on this vehicle, the front headlight, one of them is missing, the passenger side. This vehicle has been in an accident, and so that headlight was damaged, so it's already removed. So we're going to slap a pair of new headlights on this vehicle, but to do that we need to remove this headlight. First thing we're going to do is pop the hood. Next, we're going to pop the hood open. Here is a healthy tip. To remove the headlights, you must remove the front bumper first. And the reason for that is because under the fender, behind the bumper, under the headlights, there's two bolts or screw that you need to access, and you can't access it unless you remove the bumper. Now, if you want to know how to remove the bumper, please check out, I have a video that will show and instruct you how to take the front bumper off. So since this headlight's already been off, let's inspect this area. Now let's inspect the driver's side headlight. Alright, so on the driver's side headlight, the passenger headlight will be the same. But we're going to take the driver's side headlight off, and then you'll get the idea of how to take off the passenger side. So on the headlight, it's held by 1, 2, 3 bolts. So we're going to remove all 3 of those bolts, and then we're going to pull the headlight out. I said 3 bolts, but there's actually 4. And one more, it's actually right beneath the headlight, right there. So now, let's remove the bolts. 4 of them. So the 4 bolts that we're going to be removing from the headlights is our 10 millimeter, size 10 millimeter. So we're going to remove 1, 2, 3, and 4. And remember, 4 10 millimeter bolts, and you can repeat this on the passenger side as well. After removing the bolts, now you can grab the headlight and pull the headlight back. Now, on the back of the headlight, you got some harnesses, wires that connects to the headlight bulbs. Okay? And it looks like there's a total of 1, 2, 3 that we have to disconnect to release the headlight. So to release the headlights, really you just pinch it. And if they're too hard to pinch with your hand or finger, feel free to use a screwdriver, and that's what I'm going to do. My trusty flathead screwdriver. I'm going to press in the tab and release 1, 2, and down here at the bottom, 3. That's 3, and that releases the headlight. And here are the bulbs connection. 1, 2, 3. There you have it. The headlight. Here is a close-up on the wire connection harness. There's 1, 2, and 3. And like I said, these are all just press tabs here. Every one of them. And driver's side, passenger side, it really doesn't matter. Both sides are the same thing. They have 4 bolts, screws or whatever, and then they have the those 3 tab wire connection to the headlight. Very simple to do. Now, did I mention, and I probably didn't, to get to the headlights, you must remove the front bumper to get to the headlights, especially the bolts on the side fender and underneath the fender. If you like this video, please like it. It was helpful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'll be posting more videos every week or every day. It all depends on how much I do and what I can do and what I can film. So if you have any ideas of what you want to see on repairs, just leave a comment and then I'll get to it. And if you have any questions, leave a comment and then I'll reply. Thanks for watching.